Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, fine. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Should I wait for some more people or shall I start?
So you may start.
Okay. Okay, only these many people attended the class. Okay, fine. No issues. Share. Okay. Good evening, all of you, and how are you all?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you all? I think this is the unexpected class actually. Today I got some time, so I have taken the class. Are you free now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think I have given some task for you. Newspaper.
So you told us
Something.
to go through the
Uh,
newspaper, like you told
Mhm.
us in the last class, and just to
Yes.
analyze the syllabus by matching it with the newspaper.
Yes, that's it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
just match it, and I will check at Tuesday. I think so. Okay, last class has happened in Tuesday, so I have told you about 1 week, right? So I will check in the
Yes,
next
sir. So
upcoming
you gave
Tuesday.
us 1 week.
Yes. Okay, do it 1 week, and I will show you what is the use of it. Okay, then I will start the class. Actually, in last class I have missed something. Okay, just a second. I am opening something. Suppose if you follow newspaper, all you people got these things. This
Yes,
24
sir.
years, and are you
So
able to
we
see this?
received these things the last time in the last class when you
Yeah.
told us how to read the newspaper.
Yes. Actually, I
Yes.
shared all these things to share with you, with the management. Okay, fine. So just a second.
So not the below one. We didn't get the below one. I guess the
Below one is
screenshot.
just for today. Just for today, I have something for you.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's
Okay, sir.
nothing. Okay. So Okay, fine. This is all things has happened in last class. Okay, this is the last month newspaper. Last class, I think it's on 5th. Okay, and remember, I have something marked like this. See this? Just a continuation of last class, because in last class I can't able to complete this one. See something. Are you able to see this thing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
UNESCO.
Yes, sir.
UNESCO.
Yes,
Yes, UNESCO is one type of international organization. Okay, and if you check in your syllabus, I have something. This is something. If it is mentioned that you have to follow as per the syllabus only. Okay, don't read much. Okay, only whatever the present in the syllabus, just that is the route map for you. Okay, and this here you can able to see international organizations. Okay, in international relationships also you can able to see. Just wait. Human geography. This is the GS paper 2, and if you watch some things, international organizations is also there. Okay, and structure and organization. Just wait, I will show you. I'm just searching for it. Statutory bodies. Governance. See here, you can able to see here SARC. These are the summits. Okay, SCO, Shanghai Corporation. Okay, so this is for international organizations, actually international summits actually. Okay, they have a global impact for international relationships. If you go some bit of a part like society, there is something called reports of international organizations is also important. Okay, and I think so IRDA is also important for this year. Okay, I will show you some newspaper, some previous papers. Only I have taken a, something to ask you. When did the last presidential elections happen? Are you able to see the screen entirely? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just watch this. And, okay,
I think 4 years
can you
back, sir.
anybody? 4 years back means it is happened in 2017. Okay, that
Yes,
is a
yes,
presidential election. Just I'm taking an example. Okay, it has happened in presidential elections is done. Okay, in 2017. In 2017 also something is happened. GST bill is came na, goods and services taxes, indirect taxes system. Okay, it is introduced in 2017 itself. Okay, fine. Anything new? Are you able to see this? GST is also come in 2017 itself. I'm just recalling that one. Just remember which year it is came. Okay, 2017. It is a 2017 only. Okay, in November I think so. It is bill was passed. Okay, at that time, hello, everybody is there. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
If I'm left, just ping me immediately, because if you can't responding, sometimes it is happening to go out. So that's why. Okay. And also, 15th Finance Commission, when it is came, 15th Finance Commission.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the role of Finance Commission?
Finance Commission is for, every year there's something, one more part, budgeting, right? Budget session is हो सकता है ना every year. I
Yes,
think
sir.
you have to read something called
So
what,
finance
budget
commission.
economic survey.
Yes, sir.
So,
It is formed for that purpose.
yes, and also some recommendations also there for tax systems. Okay, and other fiscal matters. Okay, there is, na, fiscal policy, monetary policy. Okay,
Yes,
Yes.
for
sir.
fiscal policy it is also there. Okay, and some more important things. Okay, it will be completely in the for economics point of view, but I'm not dealing with economics. It's it's under the Department of Economic Affairs and Ministry of Finance and under the government. Okay,
So, sir, this
and
commission is formed every year.
so what?
This commission is formed every year.
No. Every I think so it is every 5 years. I think so. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I will tell you. I will let you know.
Excuse
When
me,
I'm
sir.
taking the commission, then I will give you entire details. Okay. Just for introduction only, I have constituted. See,
Sure,
the
sir.
Finance Commission, Indian Finance Commission constituted in 2017 November, have taken this indirect tax system. Okay, it is added in 15th Finance Commission. It is also comes in 2017 itself. Okay, clear? It is come in 2017 November. Okay, 3 years ago it is come into that. Okay, NK Singh is the commission's executive and chairman still. Okay, NK Singh is the senior most IAS officer. Okay, he's not from the political parties, he's from IAS. Okay, bureaucrat. Okay, he's NK Singh. He's the commissioner executive and senior executive and the main chairman of that particular 15th Finance Commission. Okay, and okay, fine. Let me discuss. Okay, clear. Okay. Thanks every 5 years. Just a second, I'm just checking. Okay, every 5 years. Okay, that's fine. So we know some things are happened in 2017. Okay, clear. So we know that presidential elections is conducted in 2017. Okay, I'm just relating the current affairs with the our question paper of the GS mains and as well as prelims. Okay, so in 2017 we had a presidential elections. Just watch this. I have picked some prelims questions and mains questions as well as for you. Just see this. See this one. This is the 2008.
So you're not audible.
Okay, fine, everybody. I think everyone is came.
Sir, you are not audible for last 2 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it has
So
gone
your voice
out of
broke.
hands. Okay. Actually, it's automatically left that meeting. That's why I came later. Okay. Now fine. Are you able to see the screen? Everybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your screen is not visible.
Only your voice is audible.
Okay. Just a second. I will see. Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now visible, sir.
Okay, fine. Am I audible? Voice is clear. Be careful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. See this. This is the 2018 question paper prelims. Okay, it is happened in June. Okay, June 2018. Okay, the presidential elections is conducted in 2017. Okay, so the in here that is a very important aspect in the current affairs. So he has directly asked the question with the reference to the election of President of India. Okay, if you read the current affairs as per our syllabus, okay, by connectively he will ask the questions like this. Okay, so at the in 2017, okay, we had a presidential elections. Okay, that is a very important aspect in the current aspect. Okay, it is from current affairs only. Okay, it is happened in India, so that's why the respect to next examination, which what prelims examination, they have given directly one question. Okay, fine. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So come to the next question. So this one, GST, are you able to see this one?
Yes, sir.
This is also
Yes,
prelims
sir.
2018 question paper. Okay, under the GST. So he has given some food grains and food items and newspapers containing advertisement materials which are above items are exempted from the GST. Okay, just a question from the GST. Okay, GST is coming 2017 November. Okay, the question is directly coming 2018 prelims paper, which is in June. Okay, you have to focus on 1 year current affairs is most probably enough. But from last year onwards, it's making too much difficult from 2018 onwards, 19th onwards. But it's fine. You can do it. Okay, just follow 1 year question paper, 1 year current affairs. Okay, till the examination is up to interview. Okay, you have to read the newspaper thoroughly. Okay, whatever the questions is coming now here, we know that syllabus is very vast, but they have to give some questions, right? They are giving the questions on the basis of current affairs or the importance of the national importance as well as international affairs which are related to India or whatever is happening in international boards or international institutions. Okay, World Trade Organization, UNESCO. Okay, International Court of Justice. Okay, which is present in Geneva. Okay, International Labour Organization. So all these things are international bodies. Okay, we have a partition, we have a membership in that particular international organizations. Okay, whatever the decisions is taken by that particular international organizations, they may affect directly or indirectly on India. Okay, that will be asked in the questions like prelims as well as mains also. But remember, prelims examination is purely technical based. Okay, some extent it is very bit difficult comparatively mains. Okay, see, this is for a prelim examination is for a elimination.
So could
purpose.
you repeat the last point about prelims examination?
Prelims examination is bit more difficult than mains examination. Okay, it is bit technical type. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear. So it is like elimination paper. They have to eliminate people who are writing the mains. Okay, I told you na filtration process out of 6 lakhs people who are writing preliminary examination. Okay, only 15,000 to 17,000 people only for selected for mains examination. That means there is a lot of, they have removed nearly 6.5 lakh people who are written already in prelims. Okay, so preliminary examination is like elimination. They have to eliminate they have a right to eliminate from the candidates. Okay, this is like a vast filtration. Okay, so it's like a bit difficult, but by the practice only you can conquer this preliminary examination. Okay, just see this. At that year we have a goods and service tax. GST is came in 2017. 2018 we have the question. We can expect the question. Okay, directly. This already happened. See this one. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. It is from under governance and welfare schemes. Okay, and it is something you can able to see in National Skill Qualification Framework. Okay, now also we have something Startup India, Stand Up India, Digital India. Okay, these things are come in regular newspaper also. Okay, so see next one more question. I want to show you something. See this one. The term two-state solution is sometimes mentioned in the news. Okay, in the affairs of, it is the international affairs, international relationship question. I told you Israel and India. Okay, it is from two-state solution is the when Modi visited, when Indian Prime Minister is visited Israel. So that is for two-state solution. They have given some statement. Okay, that is in the, they have used that word two-state solution while there is a bilateral relationship between the India and Israel. So it is direct question. If you know it is from Israel, you can directly answer this question, right? It's a bit easy if you follow the newspaper. Okay, and Israel Prime Minister has given the statement that we have waited for this meeting about 70 years. Okay, 15 years before that, Israel Prime Minister came to India, but nobody, no Indian Prime Minister or Indian higher official visited Israel.
So
officially.
was it because of the fact that when the Congress was in power, like they
Yes,
didn't take any
yes,
initiative,
yes.
and
Nobody has
and
taken initiative.
yes,
But
sir.
after the Modi's came, na, so he's
Yes,
directly
sir.
visited this Israel.
And so
Okay.
there was some news also, like when the Modi was elected for the very first time as the president, as the prime minister of India, that
Yeah.
the many countries congratulated him on the fact that he has become the prime minister. And earlier, earlier, like nobody was in touch with him so directly. I heard this
Yes.
thing.
Yes. 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 Actually, if you go through, I'm not biased to any of the political parties. But in Congress government, it was very weaker session in external affairs. Our Ministry of External Affairs is bit weaker, but not comparatively. After that, this is the Sushma Ji's came na. So after that, we became a very good
So the very
relationship with the
latest
neighboring
news
country.
I got from
Yes.
someone close to me regarding the defense, that
Yes.
the Prime Minister of our India has asked the defense sector to remove 100 soldiers, to reduce the quantity of soldiers at the border, and also to
Okay.
recruit less soldiers. So,
Yes.
and they're also in the process of privatizing many defense offices,
Yes.
which are
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yes, sir. And so this has this news has been going on in the media on and off, but nobody has a clear picture of it,
Yes.
of
Yes.
this thing. But this as a fact that when a country privatizes its own army and its own resources, it is something
See.
which
See.
is
See.
not considered to be good.
Yes, not considered to be good, but something is what happening now. So actually, uh, see, I will show you some facts. Okay, don't worry, don't take it personally. Indian Army is there, na? So it never be goes to privatization. Okay, Army will be under the central government only, under the defense. But the defense research is there, na? Development. Okay, research and development, R&D labs. Okay, they are going to be privatized. Okay, already some parts of that research part, R&D development science labs are undergoing to that privatization. Okay, and also now
So, like the
uh,
labs in the DRDO or the labs in the proper defense section, like DRDO is different from the defense part.
DRDO develops all the things. Okay, both
Yes, yes.
defense as well as this one. You know, there is something called Bharat Dynamics. Some disturbance is coming.
அது சொல்லாதது என்னதான் நடக்கும் வேடிக்கை பக்கம் உட்காந்து பாப்பியே
இல்ல இல்ல இல்ல
தானே
இல்லம்மா நேத்திக்கு அவங்க அந்த ஆண்டி கிட்ட பேசுனத வச்சு
Just a
அந்த
second.
நானே நினைச்சேன் என்ன இப்படி பேசுறாங்கன்னு.
Who's this? You are the host. Thank you for this.
அவன் அடைஞ்ச போது சிரிக்க தானே அது.
Okay, everybody clear?
Yes.
Some disturbance came. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now it is the topic is happening. Okay, all the public sector banks is going to be privatized, and all public sector PSUs, steel plants, okay, some ONGCs, oil and natural gas, so many are getting privatized. Okay, actually defense part is there na, so actually it was already privatized. Okay, you know something called Bharat Dynamics. Okay,
No, sir.
Bharat Dynamics is the development part. Okay, research part is under the DRDO. The development part, manufacturing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, every missiles and everything is under the Bharat Dynamics. Okay, it is already under the private. Okay, why? Because in USA, okay, in USA, defense sector is already in private. Okay, SpaceX is already under the private only. Okay, Elon Musk is the head for that SpaceX. Okay, USA having already this NASA. Okay, NASA is under only government itself, but they are allowing the private bodies to do the work. Okay, so actually the defense part of the US government is also given to that almost 40 to 80%. It is under the private itself. Okay, but there is some terms and conditions will be there. They have a strong governmental organization. They have a strong regulatory bodies. So that's why they are able to managing the things. But in India, everything is under private sector. We have some collision economy, na? Okay, so we have both private as well as public working together. Now what happening? They want to privatize everything. Okay, the maintenance of these things are a bit burden, but okay, fine. Currently it is going on. So once it is concluded, na, after privatizing everything, then we can come to conclusion. Okay, everything will
Sir,
be added in our.
Sir, can you
Sir-
tell me, like when everything would be privatized, is it good fact for any country, or it has its own drawbacks?
If you if you are giving powers to private people, na, unless you have to you control that people or the working of the people, okay, it will be problem for us. Okay, there should be a must. That people should be controlled very well. Okay, the control and coordination must be there at a strong evident. Okay, they are have to take the full responsibility by the government only. Whatever the things is going on, whatever happened by that particular private entity who has taken over the public sector, na, that particular industry, they have to be answerable or accountable. Okay, and we have to maintain our strong regulatory bodies. Okay, soon I will tell you what are the regulatory bodies we have. Okay, everything
Sir,
soon we will come down the
sir,
time. Yes.
Sir, doesn't this air show has an effect on being privatization of the defense sector?
Which one?
Sir, air show, whatever we have will conduct over in Bengaluru, that it does has an effect on privatization of the defense sector.
Some extent there is a direct indirect relationship. Okay, there is an effect will be there. Okay, but you have to study well. Okay, it is still in the process only. Okay, defense is some parts is already went into the privatization. Yes, 100% there will be effect, but we don't know how much extent it will take over the things. Okay, nobody don't know until unless it's come to the practical thing. Okay, okay, once I will discuss when it is come to the news. Okay, once it completed. Okay, come to our topic. Okay, soon I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, just I'm giving the glimpse. Okay, so if I'm going with the mains question paper, okay, see this one. This is, I think, paper 4. This is not ours. So just a second. Don't worry if you have any doubt. Okay, of course some controversial things will happen, obviously, in newspaper. So this is GS paper 3, not this one. We need GS paper 2. See this one. Okay, are you able to see this one? EVMs for circumstances, financial emergency, petrol gas, CAG. See this one. Are you there? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody able to see this one? 9th question.
Yes, sir.
India's relationship with Israel have a late acquired depth and a diversity which cannot be rolled back. Okay, see, there is a late word, Israel. That year only Modi visited with Israel. Okay, clear?
Sir, what was the significance of the meet?
Significance of the meet will be bilateral relationship with both defense, trade, okay, everything. At that time only, it is not important for now. Just I'm giving the glimpse. At that time, 2017 he visited. It is very important news. That's why it is directly coming to our question paper. Okay, I'm just relating the current affairs with our examination. That's it. How much important? Which are the parts are important for our in current affairs for our examination? Okay, clear? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Just I'm giving you some glimpse only. Okay, these are not important now. Okay. See this one. Something I want to show you actually. See, World Trade Organization, 19th question. Okay, WTO. It's an international organization. Okay. And the last question is US Iran. You know, there is a tussle between US and Iran also, right? At the time of last year also,
Yes, sir.
when the Trump is in under this one. But what
Yes,
happening now? India have a good relationship with Iran because we are importing the oil, crude oil from the Iran itself. Okay, but these controversial issues between the US is also our neighbor. That means we have a good relationship with the US also. But what happening now? These two are becoming rivals. Bit negative word, but it is there. Okay, but what happened? This tussle or this rivalry or controversy between the US and Iran, which is will be the effect of India. How it will be affected in India? So this is the some bit of question. The controversial things of between two neighboring countries or two friendly countries, the rivalry of two our friendly countries will affect our own welfare. Some extent it will be happens. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even though US is instructed us, do not go with trades. Okay, trade
Yes,
relationship with the Iran also. But our India didn't listen that words with US government. Then what happened na? In US government also they have released something H1B1 visa. Okay, there is this effect. Okay, direct and indirect effects will be there. Okay, US also they have instructed. This Iran is our rival country. Okay, we have so many misconvenience with us. So don't do trade. They are just affecting the relationship between India and Iran also by the effect of US. So what's happening now? They have instructed us, but Indian government not listened. Okay, at that time also, but okay, it's not now, but it's fine. So okay, now you are able to understand how important the current affairs. Okay, if you see, this one is a mains question paper na. It is happened in September and October. The mains examination 2018 is happened in September and October. If you watch this 11th question na, see this one, very important for this year also. Just see this one, whether the Supreme Court judgment in July 2018, July mein the Supreme Court given one judgment regarding Lieutenant Governor of Delhi as well as the government, elected government of the Delhi. Okay, there is a still controversial things are happening between the powers of Lieutenant Governor and the elected government of a state government of a Delhi. Okay, at that time also this is the battle between them. Okay, there is a political tussle between the Lieutenant Governor and elected government of that particular Delhi. Okay, they have given the statement that is very important. That's why immediately they have added in this current affairs topic in that our question paper also. And if you see this is our newspaper na, that I sent you. Till this year also there is a bill has passed regarding Lieutenant Governor of the Delhi. Okay, if you see this one, the center curtailed Delhi government's powers as a punishment. So this is given by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Okay, because there is a bill have passed already, right? In the last week, I think so, 10 days back or last week only, they have passed one bill by the union government.
Sir,
Okay.
can you explain the objectives of central government behind this bill?
Don't worry, soon I will tell you. Okay, once I have done with this topic na, regarding Lieutenant Governor. Okay, there is a governor of the state government, there is a Lieutenant Governor for whom? Union territories. Okay, once I have completed that topic now, you can able to understand these things. Okay, but this year also there is something is happening between the union government as well as the state government of the Delhi, elected government of the Delhi. Okay, it is not a state, it is a UT, union territory. That's why it is considered to be NCT, National Capital Territory. Okay, once I complete that one, I will tell you this topic also. Don't worry. Clear? Just listen whatever is happening. I'm starting everything from the beginning. Okay, and this is the enough for this current affairs topic today. And okay, let's start our classes. Okay, are you able to understand what I'm saying this here? Okay, GST, GS paper 3 is also having economic related questions. they have asked directly about the finance commission, because that year there is introduction of 15th finance commission also there. Okay, so this is how you have to relate with the newspaper as well as the question paper of the our syllabus of the UPSC. Okay, can we start? We are starting the polity. Everybody is with me? Don't worry, I will tell you that one. Okay, behind the things I will send you some document. Okay, just 1 or 2 pages of document regarding both the things, and I will explain in the next class. Okay, just read once, then after that you can able to understand very well. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry, I will explain it. Okay, what are the things is happening? Okay, central government is always want to, union government is always wants to be above the state government of the Delhi. Okay, elected government of the Delhi. Why? Because Delhi is the capital region, and also union government is also staying there only. Okay, the tussle between the union government and Delhi government is there, na? Okay, it is like a whatever it happened between these two bodies, na, the sufferers will be the people of Delhi. Okay, because it directly indirectly affect the society of the particular Delhi, social life of the Delhi. Okay, na? So it will be done soon once you have completed with the lieutenant governor. Okay, you know what? Puducherry lieutenant governor is also removed, na? And this year only.
Yes, sir.
Kiran Bedi ji, she was the lieutenant governor of the union territory of Puducherry. Somebody people will call it as a Pondicherry. Okay, there is a controversial things is happening still about the powers of lieutenant governor, not governor. It is about the lieutenant governor. Lieutenant governor is for union territories. Okay, and soon the tussle will be over, na? Then I will explain everything. Okay, before that I will cover this topic, governor and the lieutenant governor. Once our syllabus is over, na, then we can able to discuss about the current affairs also. Okay, and there is a must thing. For my classes, you have to do some homework also. Every day you are reading the newspaper is fine, and separating the topics as per the syllabus, it's also fine. And every day I will give you some 10 lines or 15 lines of some para or some information or some topic, basic topic only. Okay, every day I will send you. It won't take much more than 10 to 15 minutes to read at just once. Okay, I will send you either of this Ria or Minakshi. I will send you that particular document. Okay, you have to read
So,
every
sir,
day.
do we have to revert back the homework to you or to the maths?
No need, no need, no need, no need, no need to revert back to anyone. It is only your self responsibility. Okay, my
Okay,
responsibility, I have to give some homework only. Just a small topic, new topic only, not even
Okay,
discussed
sir.
in the class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you have to maintain 2 notebooks. One is running notes. Whatever happening in the class, if you think it is important, just note down in the running notes. Okay, after the class, just it won't take much more than to revise that particular much time to revise that particular running notes. Okay, it roughly, if the class is nearly 1.5 hours now, then it will take not more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes to revise the entire that running notes. Okay, if you are beginner, it's fine. If you know some, if you having some new keywords, okay, like democracy, okay, republic, okay, secularism, okay, anti-defection law, some keywords will be there during the class only. I will give you some simple note, but after that, after this class days, remaining days will be there is no class for me. Every week I have only 2 classes. If it is extreme possibility, I will take some more classes in the weekdays if it is possible. But remaining days, I will send you one small page, some para or some topic, basic topic. Just write that topic in the running notes and read once. Okay. Suppose tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will send you about the majorities. Majority means there is something called simple majority. There is something called special majority. There is something called absolute majority. Okay, so these are some topics which are important in the future of our classes. Okay, this homework is supports for our class only. Okay, And second notebook, I will send you one handwritten notes. Okay, in that everything will be there. Okay, you have to update your notebook as per that my notes. Okay, take my notes as a reference. I will send you the entire pure polity notes that which I have written. Okay, by that notes you have to write your own notes of a polity. Okay, that see this one, we have a two notebooks now. One is running notes. Running notes is purely for understanding the concepts. Okay, and daily homework you have to read, and that homework will be helpful for us to understand the concept, to discuss the concepts during the classes. Okay, because entire polity is completely like a chain. Everything is related to other topic. We can't discuss, we can't complete entire polity in one day. Okay, or in one go. Every time there is something called dependent on other topic also. Okay, it will be helpful for us to understand the concept for the running notes, and something called polity notes will be there, that will I'll send. This is for purely for our examination purpose. Okay, at that time running notes is not useful much, but after completing our syllabus you have to go through this polity notebook thoroughly. That is completely made by you with a reference of my notes. Is that clear? Okay, homework is that's for your self responsibility. My responsibility, I have to send that particular information to you. That's it.
Sir,
Okay,
that homework, sir, the homework will write in running notes, na, sir?
yeah, just write down in that running notes. Okay,
Okay.
revise it well. Okay, just revise it. Otherwise, just read one or two times enough. No need to by heart. No need to memorize that thing. Okay, just read once or twice. That's enough. Just write down once and read two times. That's enough. It won't take much more than, I will give you the homework very short. It will be completed within 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. You have to spend not more than 15 minutes or half an hour for our subject. Quality will be over during the time span of time. Okay, fine. Okay, don't worry. Homework will be very little. Okay, just to you, that's only for you only. You can able to understand some critical topics also in that particular time. Okay, today we are starting with the polity, and governance will be done after the 20 classes of polity. Okay, remember governance is very technical topic, very analytical thing, and no need to study well, no need to follow some books also for the governance, because that much easy governance. Okay, so come to our polity. And are you ready? We are starting the polity topic, purely core. Everything has happened, reference classes, orientation classes, everything is over. Now we are starting with the polity. My responsibility is polity and governance. Everything is introduction is also over. So now, are you ready, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever is happening in the class now, if you think it is very important, then update in your running and revise it. Okay, it will be helpful for the further classes also. Okay, so now, okay, forget everything. I'm starting with everything is from the beginning. You know, in ancient days, we have, who are the rulers?
King.
Okay, we have a kingdoms, right? Not countries, basically, once upon a time. So the rulers of these kingdoms are kings. Simply, just simply I'm telling you this one. Okay, kings. Kings are the, basically, suppose this is my kingdom. Okay, suppose if you think I am the king. Okay, I am the king. Okay, so what is the role, what are the things can do by the can done by the king in this kingdom? Anybody?
So like passing the
is it,
rules. Yes, sir.
yes, passing the
Yes, sir. Passing the
rules.
rules that they have
Yes,
to follow.
rules. Yes,
And,
who will
and
follow
create,
the rules? Who will follow the rules?
Subjects.
People.
Minister.
People in the kingdom. Okay, that is, the rules are made by the king only. The rules, remember the word rules and regulations or instructions. Okay, whatever the king has given na, that should be followed by the people inside the kingdom of that particular kingdom only. Okay, as well as the officials of the kingdom, because king is the topmost head of the government, na? He is the government, he is the ruler. Okay, he can have the all the powers to make the rules and regulations. Okay, for all government officials also, is it or not? King can't do anything alone, na? He has the army. That means defense is also under king only. Okay, for defense there is a defense ministry. Okay, the defense ministry is directly under control of king, and there is some ministries also there. Okay, there is a queen, there is a minister. In chess game we can see, na, the king is very, it seems to be powerless, but he is a very powerful thing, because every person from the soldier to the governance is controlled over by king itself, right? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, then see, and also king can govern, can have the powers of what? Any remaining powers, any other powers by the king? See, if there is a rule is passed by the king, then the people have to follow, even it is good rule or bad. Okay, that means the rule is nothing but a law. Okay, the law is, these are something called laws. Okay, acts. Clear? These are basically done by this king only. This king only. Okay, and if you see, and king is also having a implementation powers, na?
Judicial powers.
Is it or not? Implementation powers, that means executive powers. It is known as executive powers. And king is also having lawmaking powers. Lawmaking powers. Okay, lawmaking powers as well as implementation powers of that law. He can instruct, he can write that particular rules and regulation in a one book. That is like a book of conduct for that particular kingdom. Okay, there is something called book of conduct. Book of conduct or power map of the particular thing, whatever it may be. Okay, it is written by the king, or whatever the laws is made by the king can be entered in that particular book, rule books. Okay, and king will instruct the his officials. Okay, everybody is under the king, na? He will instruct the people to implement these laws. So implementation powers, na? Implementation powers is also under king itself. And also, if anybody violates that particular rule which is passed by the king, who will punish that particular person?
King only, sir.
King only. That means he having the what? Judicial powers, na? He already having judicial powers also. If anybody is violating that particular rules and regulations in the kingdom, any of the people, he can also punish his officials also, his ministers also, he can punish directly. Okay, without a question. Okay, that means king is having all the judicial powers also with him, right? And remember, law making powers means what? Legislative powers. Remember,
Legislative powers.
legislative powers. Yes, legislative powers. Write down in your notebook. Okay, no need, if you are listening, na, these are the keywords: legislature, executive, implementation, law making, judiciary, rule book. Okay, rules and regulations, and also called acts. Okay, everything is comes under into that down the time. Okay, implementation means executive powers. Okay, that means the law is made, that means everybody has to pay tax of 10%. Okay, who are doing for the merchants, he has passed one rule for the merchants also. Okay, and also if that is implemented by the king only. Okay, who will check whether they are paying tax or not? Okay, the officials of the king only. Is it or not? He will check the implementation of the particular rule or regulations of the 10% tax. If anybody is not paying the tax, na, then he will come to the court of justice under the king only. Okay, he will take that particular person and he will punish, or he will put a fine of 20% extra. If not, if he is not following that rule, that means if he is not paying the 10% tax, na. So this is called judicial powers. Okay, punishing powers are judicial powers of the king only. Okay, so remember. Now see, is it clear? Now king is a only single person. Remember, king is a single person who are having powers of law making. That means legislative powers. That means making the rules and regulations. Just remember that's in some extent making the rules and regulations in the particular small kingdom. Okay, implementation powers means, okay, he will check the implementation and he will be the implementing person, or his official, he will instruct that his officials to implement the particular law, and he will also put some check whether they are checking, whether they are implementing or not, whether they are paying the tax or not, he will check. That is called implementation powers of the rules and that law, and also it is known as executive powers. And something is called judicial powers. Judicial powers means he can punish whether if any law is violated. Clear? Fine, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the particular thing called, see, so this means king is very powerful now. King means who? The ruler, right? The ruler. Is it or not? He is the king means he is the ruler. If ruler is a single person, right? He is ruling the entire kingdom. That means entire country. Suppose it's like a country only. Okay. The powers, the entire powers of lawmaking, executive, and judiciary powers, if it is in one person's hand, okay, it is called monarchy rule. Remember the word monarch. He is also known as monarch. The kingdom is called as, or the country is under the monarchy rule. Okay, under monarchy rule. If you need some spellings, then just ping me, I will tell you spellings if you're not understanding my handwriting. Okay, fine. What is the monarchy rule? Who was the monarch?
King.
King.
The king.
All powers will be in one person.
A person having all lawmaking as well as executive as well as judicial powers also.
Judiciary powers also.
Yes, all these three powers are in only single hand of the particular, only single person. That person is known as monarch. He is the most powerful entity in the particular country or in the particular kingdom. Okay, that is called monarch. This is called monarchy rule. Okay, so see, this ruler is there now. Suppose there is a new topic. Suppose this is the ruler. Whether this ruler are from people or some particular family. Something called royal family is there now. He is from royal family. Okay, the entire family of the royal family will rule by his sons only. The kingdom entirely is ruled by, who will be the next king? The son of the king.
Prince.
Is it or not? Prince. Okay, and the next king will be the son of the prince. Is it or not? So everything is happening by hierarchy. Okay, in a monarchy rule, the next king or the next ruler will be the family of, or the blood chain of the previous ruler. Okay, and also see the posting or the you know what, there is no role of the people to select their ruler in a monarchy. Okay, fine, are we clear? Who is the monarch? All the powers with him only, all the three powers, as well as in a monarchy rule, the next ruler will be the son or the bloodline of the previous king. Okay, and as well as, see, there is no role or the choice of the people to select their ruler or ruling family. Is it or not? Clear? Are we clear here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose the people, the ruler is very bad. Okay, the ruler is very bad. The king is very really bad. is a recklessness person. Suppose, just think, assume that. Okay, now. Suppose what happening, peoples are very suffering. Then what happening? There is a rebellion groups will come, evolved. Rebellion groups means revolutions will happen against the king's ruling. Then what happened? All the people come and killed this king and entire family of the king. Okay, not need to sense. Just think it is happened. Suppose in French Revolution it is happened. Okay, in world history there is something called French Revolution. If you see that one, the king was killed by the people itself, the rebellion groups of the society. Okay, in that particular kingdom. Okay, so now what happened? The king, there is no king. That means there is no ruler after the king. So now what happened? People has selected one particular ruler from among them. That means the ruler is came from people itself. And also remember, this ruler is not a permanent ruler. He is a temporary ruler. Okay, the king or the executives or the government, simply the ruler means who? The government. Okay, the government is the rulers who are coming to the power to rule the kingdom. Okay, if they are coming from the people, then it is known as democratic polity. Democratic polity. That is called democracy. Yeah, we are living in a democracy. Okay, democratic polity or democratic country. It is if the rulers or the kings, simply, okay, the rulers are coming from the people. Okay, who are selected by the people. Okay, then the kingdom of the polity of the kingdom is known as democratic polity. The country is a completely democratic country. That means the rulers of the country is elected or elected by whom? The people itself. And the person is not from the royal family. It is only one of the family from that particular people only. Okay, so the democracy means the rulers of the country is elected by the people of the particular country who are the family of that particular people itself. Is it clear? Is it fine? What is the meaning of democracy? The rulers of the country. Are you there? Okay. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it fine? What is the democracy? The ruling body of the country or the government is elected by the people itself, and the elected people is also from the people itself. Among the people only is the one of the family of the particular, is one of the person from the particular group of people itself. Okay, fine. Is it fine? So you know about the democracy. Okay, now what happening now? He is not a permanent ruler, right? The government is not permanent everywhere. Okay, every 5 years in our country, every 5 years there is something called election. Every 5 years there is a elections will be done to select the new ruler or a better ruler. Is it or not? To select the better government or the people who are trusting them, okay, will elect them as a people's leaders. Okay, these rulers is also known as political leaders or people's representatives from the country. Okay, as formed as a government, they are making the rules and they are making the implementation of the rules and they are giving the judiciary powers. Okay, fine. Is it fine till now? So you know about the democracy, but in this democracy, the rulers are not permanent, and in a democratic country, the peoples are not from what single family. Okay, it is one of the family from the one of the person from the people itself. Clear? So this is called democracy. Sir, the government is not permanent government. Every 5 years we have the elections now. Is it or not? Come on, respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what happening now? The next ruler, how will be the next ruler will come? Next rulers or next people's representatives, how they will come? By the election only, na? By the regular elections. Okay, or general elections, we known as it. We call it as a general elections. By the general elections. Okay, every 5 years we will have the elections for the legislative body. Is it or not? So the king or the rulers or the government, okay, is elected not by the hierarchy. Okay, see this one. This is very important thing. The thing it is known as republic. If the ruler is elected by the people, okay, if the ruler is coming by elections, okay, not by hierarchy, okay, okay, the next ruler is not the son of the current ruler. He has to go for elections and he has to win from the elections. That means he has to win the trust of the people. That means the hierarchy, see, the next ruler is coming by elections, not by hierarchical or the blood chain of the previous ruler. So this is known as the republic. Okay, sorry, spelling is republic. Clear? What is a democratic country? Peoples are ruling directly or indirectly, right? Simply democracy means peoples are the rulers.
Could you please
Okay.
repeat this?
Which one? Which one?
The last one.
today-
Yeah.
See, I am discussing about democracy. Okay, democratic country and a republic country. Okay, apart from monarchy rule country. Okay, so if the rulers of the country is one of the people, that means people itself, then it is known as democratic country. Okay, the next ruler, that means the next ruler or the next government is not by the hierarchy. This is a by election of the next elections. Okay, the next government is elected by the people. Okay, then it is known as republic government. Okay, republic country. Is India democratic, right? Come on, yeah, respond.
Yes.
Is India democratic
Yes,
or not?
democratic.
Okay. Yes, our leaders is there, na, the ruling party, BJP. The people are also peoples of India. Okay. See, there is no, they are not reserved all the powers from the previous, like they have a royal family. Okay, they are not reserved. They are
Sir?
elected only. Yes.
Sir, if people will be elect a ruling body, then it is democratic. If people are elect a person, then it is ruler. It is republic, na sir?
No, no, no. I'm telling you that if the kingdom is ruled by people, na,
Yes,
if the
sir.
kingdom is ruled by the people,
Yes.
okay, ruled by the people. The government is indirectly, our government is BJP government currently, NDA government, suppose National Democratic Alliance. It's a political party name. Okay, NDA government is there. Suppose Modi government, you are telling, na. So all the peoples, they are a part of our people, na. They are people's
Yes, sir.
representatives, na. Is it
Yes,
or not?
sir.
They are also before that, before 10 to 15 years back, or say 50 years back, they are also common people like us, right?
Yes, sir.
All the peoples are combiningly selecting our representative among the people itself. That means the kingdom is ruled by the people itself. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Either directly, either indirectly. Okay. Is it or not?
Yes. Yes,
The
sir.
peoples are ruling the country. We are the powerful entities. In India, democratic country, it is called as democratic country. Why? Because the most powerful things in India is people itself. Okay, all the lawmaking powers and all the executive powers, all the judicial powers is also under whom? People itself. Peoples means we are directly representing some people for the particular to form the government. We are electing one of the most efficient person, okay, who having the trust. So we are electing them as a people's representatives, and they are making the laws on behalf of us. Okay, that means who elected that particular person, particular ruler? People. So that means whatever the things the ruler is doing, okay, who is elected by the people, that means we are indirectly ruling ourselves only. Okay, the ruling is by the people only, it is called democracy. That's it. If the ruling is not by the king or not by the single person, It is by the people itself. Okay, the rulers of the peoples are peoples itself. Then it is known as democracy or the democratic country. It is called as democratic country. Okay, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, in a monarchy rule, that means like a king. Who will be the next king? Prince, na? His
Prince,
son.
sir.
Okay, that means he is acquiring the powers by whom? By what? Hierarchy. Okay, he is the son of the king. That's why he is the next king will be the his son only. The next king will be the his son. That means the chain will go like that in monarchy rule. But in republic country, the every ruler should be elected, not hierarchically selected. Okay, clear? Republic means what? Republic means what? The king, the
These
rulers
rulers
must
are
be
elected.
elected. Okay, on the basis of trust of the people. Okay, not on the basis of hierarchy. Remember hierarchy, because these keywords are very important. I will discuss later in the preamble also. Okay, clear? Fine. Till now, what is the democracy? What is the republic? Till now it is over. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. In India, there is something called legislature, right? So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now what happened? Na? The government is simply known as the government is simply known as lawmaking body. That means called as legislature. Okay. Executive body, that means EXE, and there's something called judiciary. Okay, judiciary. So initially all the powers are with whom? King itself, right? Initially all the powers are with a king in a monarchy rule, but in a democratic country like India, we are separating the powers. Okay, we are dividing the powers of lawmaking, executive, judiciary. We have separated the all the three bodies of the powers. Okay, given to three special places. That is, lawmaking body is separate, implementation body is separate, and judiciary is also separate. Law means lawmaking body. In India, what is the legislature called as?
Parliament.
Parliament. Yes, only parliament. Come on, try. President plus parliament. Okay, it is known as legislature. Okay, so in legislature we are having Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and finally the bill has to be passed by whom? President itself. It should go to president assent. All these three are called as legislature of the government. Okay, executive means the keyword is known as council of ministers. Council of ministers. Okay, and judiciary is a separate body. Okay, judiciary is a like a Supreme Court, High Court, District Court. Okay, some tribunals, NGT, National Green Tribunal. These are the judicial bodies. Okay, so what is the executive? Council of ministers. Okay, and also remember, council of ministers plus permanent executives that are okay. Remember, I will tell you this very important part. See this one. Write down in your notes itself. What is the executive here? Executive. Executive means there are two types of executive. One is temporary executive. One is permanent executive. Okay. Temporary executive means council of ministers. Okay. All the ministers, council of ministers. Okay. All the ministers from prime minister to health minister and education ministry, agriculture ministry, finance minister, all people are included in this council of ministers. Okay, these are also known as in this we have a cabinet ministers and a deputy ministers. Okay, ministry of states, all these people are comes under this council of ministers, simply shortcut COM. Remember that COM. Okay, later I will tell you what is it is. And who are the permanent executives? Bureaucrats. All the bureaucrats. All the bureaucrats are the employees. Okay, bureaucrats means all the civil servants. Okay, employees in the particular ministry who are working under that particular ministry are known as bureaucrats. They are also known as permanent executives. Is it clear? The two words are clear.
Yes,
Because
sir.
yes. See, the temporary executives means council of ministers means these are people's representatives. See this one. I will tell you in the governance also. Okay. This one, council of ministers are political leaders or political masters. It is also known as political masters. Okay. Bureaucrats are simply employees. Okay. Simply higher civil. In this, we are having all India services, all IAS officers, IPS officers, central service officers, revenue service officers. Okay. State service officers. All people comes under the bureaucrats. Okay. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 officers are there. They all are known as bureaucrats, who are also known as permanent executives. Okay. Our ruling will be direct in the direct hands of these people itself. Okay. Even prime minister, chief minister, all ministers, including, remember, including president is also is called as executive. Okay. And what is the judiciary? Supreme Court and high courts and district courts and some tribunals along with president is known as judiciary. Okay, is it fine? Simply I am telling you these things. Clear? Fine. Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
till now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, tribunal means what? Sir? Tribunal.
Tribunal means it's one type of judicial body. Okay, you know, some court is there. Suppose I have I am in district court. Okay, district court. What will happen in the district court? District court will take law and order cases, na, criminal cases, na.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
for the violation of law and order and criminal judiciary and also legal cases for the peoples, if it is happening between the peoples. Okay, suppose there is a factory is there. Okay, factory is there. This factory is polluting the some of the rivers. Okay, then who will question that particular factory? On the basis of whom? Some NGOs will question these things. Okay, and media is also raise the question or point out the fingers on the particular bad thing happening by the factory. So for this, there is something special judicial body is there. Simply, I am taking the example of NGT, National Green Tribunal. Green Tribunal. Okay, it will deal with the environmental conditions. Okay, tribunal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
tribunal. Okay, it's one type of judicial body. It's not directly dealing with the people. It is directly dealing with some group of people. Okay, and some bigger problems, and also some specialized problems which are related to environmental conditions, pollution controls, control boards. Everything is comes under the National Green Tribunal. If anything is happened illegally against this environment, ecology, okay, pollution, factories, okay, there is no chemical factories is also there, pharmaceutical factories is also there. Okay, anything is happening to these related, it will go under the National Green Tribunal. Okay, the judgments are directly given by the Green Tribunal. Okay, fine, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this is one type of tribunal only. Okay, tribunal means it's like a court itself, but it's not directly dealing with the people. It's directly dealing with one institution. Factory is a one institute, okay, or bigger body than a single person. Okay, so this is it. So we have talked about some rule book, right? We have already discussed about some rule book, right?
Book of conduct.
Book of conduct. Okay, the rules and regulations, the laws made by the king is written in where? Rule book itself. Okay, and also it is the book. Some laws are previously added now. Okay, the book is simply It is a book of laws plus instructions, or simply known as powers, written in a single book. Okay, written in a single book, and this book is written by the people. Remember, it is written by directly or indirectly. It is written by people. Okay, some group of people came together, all in the country. Okay, all the people, and they are giving importance, and they are making the equal freedom of rights. Everything they have given, and this rule book is made by people itself. And in this rule book, we have a rules, laws, instructions, powers, and also freedoms, and some duties, basic duties. Okay, all these things and a list of subjects are also given in this particular rule book, and this rule book is made by the people, and it is known as constitution of a country. Okay, clear? So constitution is a simply one book. Okay, constitution is a simply a one rule book or a power mapping book. Okay, so in the this is my constitution. Constitution is simply a book. In this book, what are the things present in this book? In this, some acts will be there, rules and regulations, and that rules are in the form of articles. Okay, and some freedoms also there, fundamental rights or freedoms, or you can take it as a rights. Okay, and also it is including duties. Some fundamental duties are there na? Okay, and also there's something called directive principles. I will tell you at the time. Okay, directive principles. These are some rules and regulations. Okay, given to importance of the every group of the society. Okay, in India there is a lot of diversities are there na? Is it or not? Suppose if the country is ruled by one family na, he is only take care of his own family only. Okay, he will ignore all the remaining families, all the remaining group of people, all the remaining religions. Maybe it happens. Okay, only some good people will rule together. Okay, will take care of all the people, but most of the people are doing what? Bias. They are showing some bias in nature. So what happening if the ruling is by the people na? So the rule book is made by the people. In this rule book, everyone or every group or every category of the people should be given importance in the society, and they should be given some fundamental rights also. They have given some freedoms, and also they have allotted some special treatment also there. Okay, everybody should be respected na? So in India, the country like India, we have a lot of diversity factors. Diversities means differences. Okay, can you tell me some of the differences?
Cultural differences.
Cultural differences. The cultural differences are based on religious cultures also there, and also place of cultures, region. Okay, different states having different cultures na, different arts na, different dance forms na, isn't it or not? And also different languages also there. Okay, entire India is not under single language, is it or not? We are having lot of linguistical diversities also there, language based diversities, and also we are having cultural diversities and religious diversities. And also there is something called category based. I'm not using the caste, I'm using some category differentiations is also there. Okay, and some people are poorer, some people are rich, some people are middle class, is it or not? Some economically backward sections is also there. Okay, and also some are tribal people, because the place will give the differences also. Some people are living in cities, some people are living in villages, some people are living in tribal areas, and some people are living in deserts also. Okay, they don't know what's happening also. Okay, so every aspect, place, okay, place is also made the society different. The living nature will be different na? In tribal area, the living characteristics are very different comparatively if you are living in cities, is it or not? These are the diversity factors in India. Okay, if you go with these divisions na, by using these factors, If you divide the society, there is a lot of groups you can able to see. Okay, but what happening now? The rule book is made by the people itself or the people representatives. The constitution is like a book, rule book. Okay, in this rule book, we are having all the powers of the government, and it is instructed to the government give equal importance or give equal freedoms or treat everyone with respect, equal and respect to the by the government. It is directly given in the constitution, so all the powers are driven by the constitution. Okay, so see, are you there? Are you with me? How
Yes,
people are
sir.
ruling India? How India is ruled by the people? I will tell you. See this one. These are the peoples, na? Peoples.
Sir,
Peoples
hello.
made the. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sir, just small doubt. Sir, articles or acts, what is the difference, sir? Because both are the rules, na, sir. So what is the difference?
Yeah. I will tell you. Rules are in the form of articles here. Okay. The rules and regulations are in the form of articles they are given. Okay. If there is a list is there, na? Suppose India having a 28 states. What are the names of the states given in a particular list? Okay, so that list is under the schedule. Schedules is a like a group of list. Group of subjects is combinedly put in a particular list. That is called schedules. Articles is known as rules and regulations are given in the form of what? Articles. Okay, and there is something called affirmations is also there. Aspirations is also there. I will tell you one by one. Okay, articles are simply some rules and regulations given in the particular points. Okay, important points or important statements. The rules and regulations are elevated or expressed in the form of articles. That's it. Okay, right to equality from article 14 to article 18. That means what? It is telling about the all the right to equality of the people. Equality in the what? Some I will tell you at the time. Okay, don't worry. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is the people. Okay, this is the people. People made the rule book, constitution. Okay, so this constitution giving the powers to whom? Legislature. That means Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and also president to make the law making powers. That is given by whom? Constitution. The constitution is made by people. Okay, as well as executive, as well as judiciary. The instructions of the judiciary is also given in the constitution itself. Judiciary is mentioned in this particular constitution itself. Executives, that means prime minister, chief minister, governor, okay, council of ministers, cabinet ministers, all these things are present in constitution itself. That means the rules and regulations, the instructions to how to rule the people is already given by the constitution itself. But the who written this constitution? People itself. That's it. Okay, that means the people of the country are ruling themselves by directly or indirectly by the rule book, which is instructing to the all the government entities. Okay, so all these three is known as government. Yeah, simple. This is known as government. Okay, clear till now? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, we have to discuss some more points about. Okay, now you understand what is the constitution. It's simply like a book. Okay, it is. It has given some articles, chapters, units likewise only. Okay, if you go, see, I will show you. I will show you. लक्ष्मीकांत book है ना आपके पास? Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, in Lakshmikant, oh, okay, any book, suppose any book I'm taking, suppose not this one, but this one. I think I have something, right? Documents. Suppose this is a mathematics. Sorry. Okay, this is my polity book and economics. So this is the one textbook. Okay, from where it is a political science. See this one, Constitution at Work. It's a political science book for the 11th standard. Just I'm taking one book example. Indian Constitution is like a one book. Okay, in this book there is something called preface. Okay, there is something called forward. Something is written about how the book is built. Okay, under what instructions the book is written. Okay, as given, you can able to see na this one.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
or not? Okay, this is called preface, and there is, you know what, every book after the, and also every book is having something called summary. End of the book, if you see at the end of every book, you can able to see something called summary. Is it or not? Suppose I'm
Yes,
taking.
sir. That is
Yes,
preamble.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Every book at the last, you can see these appendixes or something called summary of the chapter. Okay. Suppose this is one type of chapter, and every chapter having some particular summaries is there. Na? Okay. You go. This is the summary points. Entire chapter is concluded in a short forms and given as a summary. Okay. And every book is introduced by some authors. Okay, how the book is manufactured, how the book is written, how it is publicated. Okay, everything is under the introduction part. Okay, under what rules the book has written. So if you remember, if you see, Indian Constitution is also one book. Okay, Indian Constitution is also one book. Okay, it is written under the instructions or the key points should have to keep in mind by the constitution makers, that is object to resolutions. Okay, remember, object to resolutions. Okay, object to resolutions is given by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, in the first meeting of Constitution Assembly. Constitution Assembly is the body which is made to write the constitution, to build the constitution. Okay, and if you remember, the summary of the constitution is entirely given as preamble. Okay, preamble is like a summary of the constitution. Okay, you can't read the entire book. Okay, if you want to know about the Indian Constitution, you just need to read this preamble. Okay, clear? Are we clear? So every book is having some introduction, that means preface as well as summary. So in Indian Constitution is also having object to resolutions as a preface. Okay, which is given by, which is moved by Jawaharlal Nehru, and as well as there is something called summary of the Indian Constitution is known as preamble. Okay, this preamble concept is taken from American Constitution. Okay, USA government is, USA is also a country that is also having some constitution. That constitution is also having some preamble thing, summary of their constitution. And also India is also like that, the concept of preamble, and we are also added this concept of summary, the entire entire constitution. Okay, and it having aspirations and also ideologies of the Indian Constitution. Clear? Are we clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. See, these words, object to resolution, you have to mention in your running notes. Okay, preamble as a summary, you have to mention in the notes. Okay, the rules and regulations are passed in the form of what? Articles and also amendments. Okay, okay, now tell me, so constitution is already written, right? In India, constitution is already written. Okay, we have to discuss about some more points of the next class. Types of constitutions. Okay, types of constitution we have to discuss, and constitution. Okay, and also there is something called types of governments or types of political governments. Okay, types of polity or types of governments we have to discuss. Okay, federal polity, unitary polity. Okay, parliamentary form of government, presidential form of government. Okay, these are the different types. Okay, I will share you the notes also before the class, and as well as from the next class we have to discuss these things. Clear? I think today
Okay,
I
sir.
will end this
Yes.
session. Okay,
Okay,
just
sir.
read the news class notes. Okay, just remember
Okay.
the keywords: democracy, republic, and also today we have discussed constitution, preamble, objective resolutions. These are the keywords. Remember these words. Okay, these words will come simultaneously. Okay, fine. Today just introduction
Okay,
only.
sir.
Okay, sir.
From the next class, I think next week. I think so. I will
Okay,
come by
sir.
Monday. Okay,
Okay, sir.
get
Okay.
ready. Today homework is just read this notes itself enough, and tomorrow onwards I will give you that homework. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
fine. I think
Fine,
it's
sir.
solid 9:30. Fine. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye. Thank you. If any doubt
Thank
is you
you,
are
sir.
having, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave.
Sir,
Yes.
you said you shared some notes for today.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. But
Not-
sir, we
not
haven't
today.
received those. Okay, sir. Sir, the
Not-
picture screenshot notes.
That's not just to. That's the previous year questions. That's screenshots.
So
Okay.
we haven't
And the previous
received those like question papers till yet.
No, not that thing. I will show you something. Wait.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just wait. Just wait. I will show you. If you are not getting these things, see. WhatsApp. This is my another number actually. See this one. See these things. These are not available. This is the today. Actually, this is my another number from the tab. I shared with like this. Okay. These are not important. If you're not getting above these things, see this one. NCRT compilations of the geography, economics, and polity that I have
So
sent.
we received all those things
Up
in the
to this
last
syllabus
class
of
only, sir.
UPSC.
Yes.
That's the enough. That's the only the things that I told to management to share with you. Okay. These are just a pickup from the previous papers. Okay. No need.
Okay, sir.
Just for reference only. How the current affairs is important. That's why I referentially
Sir,
have taken some questions. Yes.
sir, I have joined just recently in this group. Can you share this once again?
No, because I'm not in the part of your students group. Okay. Management is
Sir, is
having
it
the
possible?
things. Yeah, you can ask simply. Ria ma'am is there. Sonal ma'am is there. Ask the management. Just put one message.
Okay,
They will
sir.
share you. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Who is this? Tanya Sharma, right?
Yes, sir. Tanya Sharma.
Okay, fine. If anybody having any doubt, next class onwards, be attend to. Okay, class will go very rigorously. Okay. If you are having any doubt,
Okay,
you
sir.
can stay and ask me doubts. Otherwise, you can leave. You have the freedom to leave. Okay, class is over.
Thank you.
So can you
Thank
send
you,
you.
sir.
the newspaper of 6th April?
Okay, I will share with the management. Okay,
Okay, sir. Only 6th April.
only 6th April. You need
Yes,
it.
sir. Other I got it.
Okay, fine.
Sir, was M. Lakshmikant in your notes too that you have shared previously?
Yeah, I have already shared that Lakshmikant. You better having one book in your hard copy. Okay, as a hard
Yes,
copy,
sir.
you should.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any of the edition, 5th or 6th. Better take 6th edition because it added some topics. Okay, it may
Okay,
help you
sir.
for us.
No, but if it is possible, please ask them to share it. Okay,
Yeah, just ask them. Okay, just
okay, sir.
put a
I
message.
will.
Okay, I am new to the group. Please share this some materials that I have sent by the faculty. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Simran, do you have any doubts still?
No, sir. Sir, all is clear.
Okay, you are asking some deep questions, but some are very new to these things. Okay, they can't able to
Sir,
understand what we
actually,
are discussing.
sir, some of my questions are from my own experiences,
Yes.
from my family's own experiences. So, sir, I
Mhm.
have very inquisitive mind to ask you because you explain in such a good manner that it explains each and everything, sir. So sometimes I feel that my questions are out of the box and they are not related to the topic at all.
Yes, but some are new beginners, huh? They will scare.
Yes, sir.
And also, you know what? For interview thing, the youngsters, Okay,
Yes.
they are just started now only. If you
Yes,
scare
sir.
them na first day, they will scare out of it. That's why I told you about these things. Some
Yes,
things are
sir.
already happened. For youngsters, the interview board having some weight. Okay, for
Okay.
first attempters and syndrome. Even though you are mid of the 20s, don't worry. Okay, what is
Sir,
they will
actually,
expect
I've
na?
already done my PG, so that I'm above 25. I'm scared for my first attempt. I don't know why, sir, but I am scared for it because
Everybody scared. Everybody
yes, sir.
scared. If you know, suppose if I'm doing only graduation, I did only graduation. You are dead
Yes, sir.
easy. So
Yes, sir.
you suppose if you think one person is from 21 years, some person is 25 years. What the
Yes, sir.
interview board will expect from them, na? Simply they will expect the maturity of the elder person than
Yes,
younger
sir.
person. Okay, younger person is always on fire.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but elder person is always calm and matured one. They will take that maturity. They will test that maturity levels. For
Yes,
youngsters,
sir.
of course, even though they are having maturity, but some extent in the first attempt they will be in scary position. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's what the simple thing. Okay, even though you are a mid of the 20s, don't worry. In interview board, it will be fun. Okay, you will enjoy
Okay.
it, but be careful, be attentive in the class, in that
Yes, sir.
interview board also. That's it.
Sir,
Ankita,
you
do you have
never
any doubt?
appeared for UPSC.
It's completely personal thing, introvert question.
Okay, okay,
Okay, soon you will know. Okay, don't worry.
okay, sir.
All that I'm having experience. Okay, because I can't able to go with the examination with my personal issues. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's
Because
not relevant
because
for this.
sir, I asked this question my every faculty at YAF because I
Mhm.
feel sir every faculty has their own experience to share and they can guide us in a very good way. So that is why I asked you this thing because many teachers like they share their experiences. Okay, you like you told us that you should go with the minimum books and minimum books and with your
Maximum
maximum
revision.
learning. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that was that is what your input with us and I'm really grateful to all the teachers and to you also, sir, for sharing your information with us.
I have some
Hello,
experience. Okay.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, sir. Is there various classes already happened, sir? Because for polity you made the fresh classes, so we are understanding. But for other
Actually, what
classes like
happened na? I have already started 4 or 5 classes are over. Actually, this Simran, some of the 4 or 5 members are my old students. But for new students' purpose, I have already restarted the classes from the beginning. I'm telling you all the classes. Okay.
sir, but for other topics like geography, ma'am, they started from the mid of only, so we are not understanding. So that's the issue.
Actually, geography ma'am has not shared her notes yet with us, and
Okay.
we have asked her to share us the notes with us. So I think after she shares the notes, then only we'll be able to grasp the thing in a more good manner
So
because the class
actually,
goes on.
okay, okay. So today, which topic, ma'am, means which chapter, ma'am, taught us? Like
Chapter number
erosion,
7,
chapter
class
number 7.
11th.
Okay,
Chapter number
Kumar.
7. Okay,
Kumar, I have a
okay, sir.
personal suggestion.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
do not dependent on anything, on anyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dependent
Okay.
on your own hands. Okay, you
No,
have
sir.
the geography
I have.
NCERT books, na?
Yes, I got
Yes,
Sir,
all
yes.
the
I
books.
Do
also
not.
got 11th
Yes,
and 12th
yes, I
geography
got.
books.
Yes, sir. I also
Yeah,
But
got,
sir,
but
we
I
got
have shared you how
confused.
to download it.
yes, I have
Yes.
downloaded, but
Sir, because
ma'am
she
taught us.
started from the middle now. So we
Yes,
got
sir.
confused
Hmm.
that what's
Yes, sir.
happening with
Yes,
us.
sir.
We
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Do one thing for the geography. Ninth class NCERT is book there, na?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ninth
I have, sir.
NCERT book is exactly similar to 11th geography.
Okay, sir.
Physical fundamental something is there. Fundamental
Yes, sir.
geography.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
11th is there, na? That is similar to ninth NCERT. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just read any one of the book, it's fine. That means you are
Okay, sir.
you can able to delete one book and
Okay,
start with
sir.
that
Okay,
book
sir.
also. It will be easier. It is only
Okay, sir.
fundamentals only. The geographical location of India. Okay,
Okay, sir.
latitudes, longitudes. Okay, it's
Yes,
about
sir.
India only, not a direct geography core part. It is about Indian geography.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay.
it will be
Got it.
interesting. Some extent it will be interesting. Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't worry if you are not. Faculty will take simultaneously. Okay,
Yes, sir.
no classes will done entirely one day. Okay,
Okay,
it is
sir.
not like a crash course can be done
Okay,
in one day. It is a lot
Okay.
of long process, na. Do
Okay,
it,
sir.
do it slow and steadily. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just
Got
read
it.
at least of 2 to 3 hours. That's the minimum.
Okay, sir.
After you
Okay,
are
sir.
getting some hobby, na, then increase your number of hours.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
geography may, I think that fundamental Indian geography is very easiest part, some extent easiest part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, comparatively you can enjoy that part. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
if you have some more time, if you need some more information, start with the sixth geography.
Acha,
Fundamentals
okay, sir.
only there. Okay, universe, our universe. Okay, these are basic
Okay,
things
sir.
you are studying from childhood only.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
from
Sir, I have
past,
one
just read once.
question. Like
Yes,
many
Simran.
teachers, like you also said, sir, that one should go with the minimum books. But sir, some
Yes.
teachers have like pressured on this fact that one should go for the books from 6 to 12. And some of them have
It
told us only 11, 12 books of geography are fine. But sir, like
yes.
I'm confused, like whether we should start with the 6th class or we should only stick to the 11th or the 12th
See, for
standard.
geography, there is no particular other standard book. Like polity, we are having Lakshmikant, na?
Yes, sir.
But for geography, no need for that like a standard book. You just need one atlas, GC Leong for the physical geography. Okay,
Yes, sir.
remaining things are NCRTs only, nothing.
Okay,
No
sir.
need for other geography. Geography books are there. Near, even though in Lakshmikant type book is also there. For the
Yes,
Tata
sir.
McGraw,
Yes, sir.
that book
Yes,
is
sir.
also there. I think so. Hussain something. Okay,
Yes, sir.
no need. You just need NCRT books are coffee enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but think that if you can't drive, you can't ride the motorcycle now, you have to ride with the bicycle only. You have to start with
Yes,
the
sir.
bicycle only.
Yes,
That's
Yes,
the
sir.
sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
help you to ride the bike directly. Okay, that's why I am giving you my notes, and also I am planned to give you some homework daily. Okay, just for 15 minutes of reading for the fundamental concepts. Okay, while it is going in the class now, you can able to understand the core topics. Okay,
Sir,
after
Yes,
also,
that,
sir.
can you suggest me something? I'm totally confused with my optional subject and I'm getting
who
tension
is this?
because of it.
Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Ankita, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the previous class, okay, which subjects you want to decide to take
Sir,
as your option?
I was thinking for maths.
Maths, very good.
Yes, sir.
You are from graduation in maths?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm continuing my
Okay,
PG in maths.
maths also, no? That's absolutely fine. Okay.
But sir, some says that
Simran
it's
and
there is.
Pradeep, you are from where?
Sir,
Sir, I am
actually, I have done MBA. So, sir, but in 12th, I was a
Graduation?
humanities student. Sir, I did
Humanity
finance. I did
student.
my graduation in finance.
sir, I am
Okay.
also MBA finance, sir. I am pursuing my second year MBA finance.
Okay, and
And I am
graduation?
commerce, sir, commerce. +3
Commerce.
accounting honors.
Okay. These two
Accounting
people
honors,
are
sir.
from humanity. Ankita, you are from maths
The
background, right?
sciences. Yes, sir. Maths.
Science background. Okay, maths background. Maybe. I think these two people will get bored with our
No,
discussion.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
actually, I thought that I will go.
Sir,
I will.
actually, I have chosen history because since my childhood,
Fine.
I've enjoyed history as a subject.
Okay, fine. Have you
Sir, in
checked for
commerce,
the previous year questions?
Yes, sir. Some of them, sir, I have.
Yes. Ankita,
Yes, sir.
I have already told about the optional subject. Who are taking PSIR, history, geography, okay, public
Yes, sir.
administration, and some other topics of sociology. Okay. If anybody is taking out of these subjects, 6 subjects, I have suggested one type of theory for them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simran and Pradeep. I think
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pradeep.
Sir, I think
Okay,
I will
just
opt for accounting and commerce, sir. Whether
yeah, okay.
yes,
If you are
yes,
strong enough, I told you,
yes,
just go through the syllabus and go through with the immediately go through with the previous year questions
question.
or the particular optional subject. If you're
Yes,
comfortable
sir.
in answering that thing, then go for it. That's it.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
comfortable, but its syllabus is too large.
Of course, it is too large, but there is limitations. Okay, Ankita.
Yes,
See,
sir.
in mathematics, paper 1, paper 2 is there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in
Yes, sir.
paper 2, see, you have a choice. Out of 8 questions, you have to write only 5 questions. First question is compulsory in options of paper. Okay,
Yes, sir.
out of 250 marks, first question will be for 50 marks. Okay. If you
Okay, sir.
strong enough in linear algebra, that means matrices. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you're strong enough in vector algebra,
Yes,
you
sir.
can crack almost 150 marks. That's enough. Okay.
Okay,
I am
sir.
also mathematics student. That's why I'm telling you these things. Okay. I know how it feels. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
you know what? I have the syllabus also. Once upon a time, I planned for that one, but it is completely taking more time than to cover these
Please,
things.
you can take mathematics classes also.
No, I can't take that one because I have did my both BSc and BTech. It has happened.
Sir, I got
It's
scared
like,
because of the groups and rings chapter.
yeah, that one only. I told you, na, algebra part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Algebra.
rings.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
algebra, rings, fields, and one more topic is also there. Groups, one more topic, yeah. It is also like a scary
Sir,
one.
sir,
Okay,
real
vector
analysis.
algebra, real analysis, yes. Okay, these
Yes,
topics
sir.
are very, very, very like by hearting the things. They're not like mathematics, yeah. There is no
No,
logic.
sir. No,
You have
sir.
to by
That's
heart
why
the
I got
questions and
scared
answer
now.
the questions. If that much by hearting thing abilities I'm having, na, I can take public administration or PSIR at a time at once. Both are at a time. That much you have to by heart in the things.
Yes,
That 4
sir.
chapters. If you go with the second paper, na, it
Yes,
is
sir.
completely absolutely fine. You have a fluid dynamics, you have some engineering topics, some mechanics
Yes, sir.
topics are there,
They
physics
are
related.
easy, sir.
Okay, yeah, they are easy. If you are strong in technical background, you can able to do it very easy. Okay, for you, simply remember fields and these
Yes.
things is there, na, ring theory, group theory, and
Yes, sir.
fields. Some extent vector theory is also a bit difficult.
Sir,
Green's
I have
theorem,
not
Stokes
studied
theorem.
yet. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. They
Okay,
are also difficult
these
ones, sir.
theorems, you know that one. Bit
Yes,
difficult, but you can do it. But
yes,
this
sir.
only algebra, real analysis, and this group theory, fields, and rings theory is a bit
Yes,
by hearting thing. If
yes,
there
sir.
is a logic, na, if there is a calculation, na, you can do it easily. But
Yes.
there is no logic in behind that
No, sir. No logic. Nothing.
thing. You have to by heart the question and answers. Of course, there is a
Yes.
logic bit if you go in deep. Until unless you can't get it. You know,
Sir, but
complex analysis is also there, but it is removed from the syllabus. Jet transforms also removed. You have to be happy for that.
yes, sir. Sir, but I was
In
thinking
P,
that uh, by taking mathematics, my score will reduce in optional.
no. Remember, mathematics is the highest scoring subject out of all the optional papers.
Okay, sir.
So what
You
about history?
history is also okay, fine. Some people are getting more than 300 easily. Okay, a lot of toppers also there from the history and geography. Sociology, anthropology subjects also a lot of people are there. You know,
Yes,
Junaid
sir.
Ahmad sir, rank 3 all India. Okay, he has the geography as an optional, rank 3 in 2018.
Yes,
Kanishk
sir.
having the mathematics as an optional. Okay, he is from science student, yeah, IIT Kanpur. So
Yes,
he's
sir.
obviously strong in mathematics. Okay, I
Yes.
think he didn't ever taken the coaching for mathematics also. Okay, he's directly taken and he got the nearly 350 plus marks in the option. Simple
Sir?
here, you need to get 50% of the entire thing. Entire written
Sir?
part is there, na? If you're
Yes,
getting
sir.
50% out of 1750 marks of a written mains examination, na, go for
Yes,
interview
sir.
directly. Yeah, on and average, if you are a very good person, if you are, even though you are telling, sir, I don't know the answer,
Yes, sir.
openly admit the answer in the interview board, they won't ever regret you. Minimum marks will be 150 marks will be allotted for you, and you will be
Yes.
under the top 100 if you are getting 50% in the written part.
So I was thinking that I should take history, geography, anything else because math was scaring me. But now I think I will.
Sir, if
First of
we
all,
get
do
50% marks in mains and then we are directly eligible for the interview part.
absolutely you are eligible.
Okay, sir.
अरे यार 1750 50% कितना है?
So 1750.
17 में
Sir,
half कितना है?
875, sir, 875.
875. Okay, if you are interview में, if you are getting absolutely 150 marks, it is going above the 1000 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Check.
sir.
like till now in past, from the beginning of civil services, check all the marks. Okay, who are on the top 50? Okay, I'm telling you top 50 ranks. Check all the marks, like all are above just nearly 50% of the marks. Okay, if you are getting na, I am assure you before below 100 your rank will be there.
Okay, sir. Sir, what
Okay.
about the accounting and commerce? Sir? Is there, these papers are qualifying nature, or I mean, sir,
Hello,
securing
optional
these marks?
papers are the topmost scoring papers. Okay, optional papers are the deciding, cadre deciding papers. Optional papers also deciding papers of your IAS, IPS. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you ignore the scoring of between 4 GS papers, na, don't
Okay,
worry. You just need at least 100 marks out of 250. It's fine. Okay.
So that's why I
And
was getting
also,
scared now. So because optional marks are so important.
yes, so important. And you're also taking the legendary subject mathematics. You can get maximum marks. Nobody can get that many marks in the mathematics. You need to work it out.
Yes,
See,
sir.
only problem with the 2 or 3 chapters only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
not entire dinner is okay, fine. Okay, entire dinner buffet is fine. Only some
Yes.
are not able to make it. Okay, if you are make some more time for them, that's it. Go with the past year papers. Okay, if you're
Okay,
confident
sir.
enough, then do it. Why I
Okay,
am
sir.
telling you this past 6 subjects, na, at least of 20% of syllabus is already covering in GS syllabus. In history, it's nearly 30 to 40% syllabus will be covered in the GS itself in paper 1. Okay, geography
Yes.
is also like that. Only 20 to 30% syllabus will be covered in the GS portion. Okay, it will be helpful to cover the remaining part of 70% of leftover syllabus in GS optional papers. But I'm not telling these papers are absolutely scoring. Okay,
Yes, sir.
absolute scoring papers are something like literature papers and something like mathematics.
Yes,
Mathematics
sir.
is absolutely if you check the past, okay, mathematics are people are getting more than 350 360 plus. It's absolutely wonder. Nobody can get
Yes.
that many marks in GS. Okay, focus
Yes,
on
sir.
where you are strong enough and try to regulate the where the weaker sections. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you're strong in some topics, na, do not leave them. Okay, try to make it maximize the score in that particular part. If you are weaker in that section, na, try to at
Yes.
least attempt that particular question in a proper manner. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
will
sir.
get on and average 350 is your target. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, out of 250 marks, na, your
Yes.
the 2 topics will be like a 200 marks itself. That's it. 150 marks only, 50 marks only. Ring theory real analysis will be give you all and average 50 marks, 50 to 60 marks. Okay,
Yes,
remaining
sir.
things are nearly 400 marks is above are there. 450 marks are there. You can score
Yes,
at
sir.
least of 300.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you will attempt that questions in the examination. They will allow you out of 10, at least you will get 5 or 4 marks. Okay, they will be
Yes.
added. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Now I am feeling so good, sir, and relaxed also.
That's it. Only if you are only 1 or 2 chapters are problematic only. What about the remaining things?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, if you are strong enough, na, there is a choices also there. Check the previous year papers. Okay,
Okay,
there is a
sir.
choice. Only first question is the compulsory one.
Yes, sir.
Only first question out of 5 questions, you will get nearly only 1 question from the real analysis. That too for 10 marks. Leave it as a choice. Don't worry. Okay, if you know that particular question, na, just
Yes, sir.
try to attempt that question. If you are not good, oh fine, only 10 marks only risk. Remaining 450 marks are there. Remaining 250 marks are there, na?
Yes,
240
sir.
marks.
And so
Attempt.
there is no negative marking now in optional.
In optional, nothing. In mains examination, there is no negative marking. But currently, what happened? Na, last year, I have seen some negative marks. Okay.
In
Yes.
prelim,
Overall,
in
level.
prelim,
In prelims, there is a negative marking.
so 0.25, sir, or 0.5, sir?
0.33, I think so. 1/3.
33. Acha, 1/3. Okay.
It will be mentioned in the notification. Don't worry. Okay. Please check it. I can't
Okay,
remember
sir.
these numbers and everything.
Okay, sir.
I
Okay.
know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
much.
Don't worry. Just do it. That's it.
Okay.
सोचने
Thank
की
you,
बात
sir.
नहीं है, करने की बात है. Okay.
Okay.
Any
Good
doubts
night,
you
sir.
can ask. Otherwise, okay. Good night. You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Come on, yaar, leave. I should also leave. Okay.